Using the Simplified Loader Excel templates, users can load one or multiple records into Oracle Fusion Cloud. The records that the user want to transact on must be entered into the data sheet. All operations available in the Simplified Loader toolbar supports loading either all the records from DataSheet or loading limited selection of records. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to perform operations on all records and a selected set of records. To perform an operation on all records in the datasheet, simply click on the desired operation from the Simplified Loader toolbar. A warning message will appear, asking if the user wants to proceed with the operation on all records. For this example, I will click the Create Invoice operation. This displays a warning message. I will click OK to upload all invoices in the datasheet. This completes the first part of the video, where all transactions in the datasheet are uploaded to Oracle Fusion. In the next part of the demonstration, I will open a new sheet containing a few invoices. In this scenario, I will upload only the second and third invoices to Oracle Fusion. To specify which rows to upload, simply highlight the rows you want to process. In this example, I will select rows 9 to 12 before clicking on the operation in the Simplified Loader toolbar. Notice that this time, no warning message appears asking if you want to process all records in the datasheet. Instead, the upload process starts immediately for the selected rows. This selective load feature is particularly helpful when there are failed records in the datasheet. After correcting the data in Excel, users can reload only the failed transactions efficiently.